Thank you for joining Breakpoint's Transforming the Future Generation with Microsoft in Education series. Breakpoint Technology is a Microsoft Gold partner that focuses on helping customers with business process and data management solutions. Today we'll be talking about accessibility. 72% of classrooms include students that require special education services due to temporary and/or permanent disability. With daily challenges and limited resources, educators need to be confident that they can meet diverse learning needs. 50% of instructional time can be lost to managing students' needs, including assistive technology. Built-in accessibility solutions from Microsoft help reduce the stigma of learning challenges and provide students with the tools they need to fully engage with their curricula, classmates, and teachers in powerful new ways. Let's look at a helpful scenario. Kara Coleman is a teacher. She believes that it is her mission to help her students reach their full potential. She knows that the best way to do this is to make them feel included and comfortable with their own needs. Her school deployed Microsoft Office 365 and Windows 10, which helps build her inclusive classroom. She can engage with her students in a more customized and non-stigmatizing way, without losing teaching time. Now, students are even more motivated to learn, building their confidence and having the learning meet them where they are. Microsoft products and features help to improve accessibility inside the classroom while increasing instruction time for the teacher. In this demo, we'll look at Kara's use of Microsoft products, like Office, Accessibility Checker, live captions and subtitles in Teams meetings and Stream, ease of accesses, Magnifier, color filters, and Narrator in Windows 10. In the Microsoft Teams for Kara Coleman's 6th grade physical science class, we can look at a PowerPoint presentation that has been uploaded to the class's files. Ocean's Presentations PowerPoint is a project by a student that requires presenting to a class full of diverse needs and learning styles. When starting a presentation, the presenter can choose the spoken language and the language translation of the subtitles. Live Captions support speaking in 10 languages and can translate into more than 60 supported text languages. Presenters can also choose where on the screen they would like to have their subtitles appear. For example, as I open this presentation on an inside look at our oceans, the subtitles will appear at the bottom. Live Captions makes audio content accessible to reach every student across hearing difficulties and students who have language barriers from a different country or who aren't familiar with the presenter's language. Live Captions show a transcript of what the presenter is saying on the screen for audience in real time. As you can see, it is not simply just a written transcript for the PowerPoint, but everything that is added in addition. Let's say Kara wants to start a class session for her physical science class. By clicking the Meet Now button at the bottom of the general chat screen, she can start a meeting with whomever she wants. She can also name this class meeting by adding a subject. Once the meeting has started, the presenter can click on the ellipsis for more actions and select Turn on Live Captions. Live captions show a transcript of what the presenter is saying on the screen for the audience in real time. Microsoft Stream, the video service in Office 365, makes it easy to create, securely share, and interact whether in a team or across your organization. Microsoft Stream supports customizable live captions for video content, so students can benefit from the dual inputs of listening to the auditory content and reading the visual content in real time. Additionally, all videos on Microsoft Stream are uploaded with transcripts, so students can find relevant sections of the video by searching for key phrases. Here, the captions are on, and clicking on the gear icon and selecting Caption/Subtitle settings allows us to change the text size, text color, and transparency. Let's take a look at another document in Kara's physical science class that could be made more accessible. Her online handout, The Introduction to Kites. In Kara's Introduction to Kites online handout, she can choose the accessibility checker in the ribbon to make sure content is accessible to all students. Accessibility checker helps you create content without accessibility issues, displaying errors, and fix them. There are errors for some items in this document, so let's explore those. Selecting an errored item will give you a description of why it's important to fix and steps for how to remedy the issue. In this case, a picture can speak 1,000 words, but not to someone who is blind, unless the image contains a written description in a field called alternative text. With this, screen readers can read the image description and inform people who are blind that the image is present and what message it is conveying. Word gives the option to add a description yourself or to have it help you create a description. With one click, automatic alt text generates a description. It also includes a confidence level for the description. After it automatically generates a description, there is still the option to go back and edit. Some images are purely aesthetic and do not need any critical information. If marked as decorative, they will be ignored by screen reader users. In the settings, ease of access can be found to allow students to choose how to interact with their device and easily personalize it to meet their unique needs. In the left navigation, you can see Windows 10 helps to bring the accessibility with accessible features that support vision, hearing, and interaction. Let's look at some of the features for vision. With improved text scaling, students and teachers can now customize the text without distorting the visual layout. They can make the text bigger, make everything bigger, or make everything brighter. With Magnifier enabled, your mouse can now stay centered on the screen to help improve navigation and allow for a more seamless experience. It is great for someone with low vision who can't see the smaller print on smaller laptop screens. Magnifier follows the focus of the mouse on the screen and automatically zooms in to set percentages. Color filters are particularly useful for people who are blind, which is more prevalent than many people realize. Students and teachers can customize to meet their needs. There are 3 options to adapt the differences in colorblind. Those 3 options can be toggled at the bottom, and they are deuteranopia, protanopia, and tritanopia. Narrator reads elements on the screen and can be controlled by keyboard, touch, and mouse. The screen reading tool built into Windows 10 provides tips and tricks to improve the user experience for both students and teachers.
Settings window, Narrator dialog, OK, button, Alt+O, heads up. Narrator keyboard changes. We've updated the Narrator keyboard layout so it more closely matches the experience you may have had.
I hope you enjoyed this presentation in our Transforming the Future Generation with Microsoft in Education series. We'd love the opportunity to help you in your digital journey. Please reach out to us at info@breakpoint.technology or give us a call.